open up the door. Dang, man, I thought it was a horse. Rolling in my 85 Chevy C10, people thought it was a Porsche. Making the cash, bringing it back, people looking at me counting up the bag. What's up, everybody? This is the welding machine, guys. We are in the shop, of course. Hold on, wipe off the lens. Got a little camera smudge. We are in the shop. As you guys can tell, we are truck free today. We still got the forklift. We're gonna work on that next. There's the old C30 right there. Well, actually, it's a K20 cab and a C30 chassis. The person I bought it from, it was a K20 title, so it was for the cab. And the chassis is C30, so I guess that would be technically an upgrade. Got to keep an eye on this fire. But the shop is finally open. We got the blue little tent right there. That's what we used for shade when we was working on the C30. Alright, guys, so we're back. Okay, we did the dash cut. We got the gauges outside on the back of the truck. This is what we're staring at right now. We're wiring it all up. These are my old wires. We're going to take those wires and we're going to tuck these wires. We don't need those. We taped them off so no hots make contact. These are going to be my wires. This yellow one with the yellow on there is going to be for my my oil pressure switch. This green one is for my temperature. This red one is for my Oh, green is for my fuel, red is for my temperature sensor. So we got those 3 wires here. Now we gotta do the tack, which is connected to the HEI distributor. So y'all, this is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated, but this is not your typical welding machine video. So if this is not what you're looking for, just look at my channel for the other videos that I got. And then hopefully sometime next week, I have a video for you guys that want to watch welding. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, everybody? This is the welding machine, and say Trinity. What's your name?
Sam.
What's your name?
Sam.
Say Trinity.
Trinity. But guys.
Alright, y'all. So right now, what we got? We're gonna flip this camera around. We got the gauges in. We did a little rustic look right here with the speedometer to make it fit, make it look decent. So that's what we got with the gauges. We'll zoom in on it.
This.
Okay. Let's see. That's what we got with the gauges, and I'll show you what they look like when they're on. And what's up, Weld family? This is the welding machine, guys. We're back with another video. If you can't tell, we are in the classic C30 with the dash gauges and stuff. You see that? We're about to fire this bad boy up real quick for you. It's the start up of the next day. There you go. We got all the gauges working. We got the gas working. The oil light, we ain't got that hooked up yet. The battery, we got that hooked up. And the temperature sensor, we got that hooked up. And we got the speedometer. So right now we got 6 miles on it. So we got the gauges, the RPM working. So we got all that working. We got like almost a quarter, 3/4 of a tank. So guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna test ride this bad boy. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna ride together. We're gonna ride together. We're gonna ride together. Let's see. We're gonna ride together. There we go. All right, let's go. We going for a ride, y'all. Nervous. Oh yeah, gotta hook the parking brake up because this bad boy rolls. Parking brake on these are very, very important. All right, we're gonna put it in drive. Windshield's a little dirty. We holding at like about 1,000 RPM. We got all the gauges going. All right, we're gonna go take it for a test ride. Then we gotta come back and edit this video for y'all.